show most familiar world.net. This series is called Beyblade Legends Showdown. Metal Fusion versus Metal Fight. Lightning-Drago Battle Series Battle 2. For our second match, we have Poison Serpent. Poison Serpent. The Serpent of the Poison. You can tell that there's bad puns. Serpent versus L-Drago in the Beyblade. I cannot do that voice. L-Drago versus Serpent in the Beys Stadium. 35 rounds, one for the fans. So, let's get started. Okay. Poison Serpent. Lightning L-Drago has given Serpent a stadium out. So epic. The awesomeness is real. So many bad puns. So many. Round 2. Sorry about that. Round 2. So let us see how Serpent lost with another stadium out. Moving on to round 3. That should be like 3. Serpent! So stadium out again. Okay. Well, next round. And yeah, that was completely uncalled for. But yeah, it's about... It's most stadium outs. Let's see if Serpent can just get this last round. Round 4. Well, this will be fans rounds. And there you have it. So epic. So anyways, type in the comments who you think should have won. And if you want to like this video, feel free to like it. If you want to favorite, share it. No obligation on your side. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did.